Hey there, explorers, and welcome. Today, we are going on an incredible adventure to check out something you probably use every single day. Yup, we're talking about the internet. So, are you ready to find out what it is and how it connects all of us? I thought so. Okay, let's jump right into this amazing digital world together. All right, our very first question on this adventure is a really big one. What is the internet, anyway? To figure it out, let's take our first step across our digital bridge. Okay, that sounds a little complicated, doesn't it? Let's break it down. Just imagine a giant invisible web. It's made of special waves floating in the air and really, really long cables that go all the way under the ocean. And this web, it connects all the computers and tablets and phones all over the whole world. The easiest way to picture it is to think of a giant, magical bridge that stretches all around the planet. It can connect you to people and places and all sorts of new ideas in just a blink of an eye. It's how a message from your tablet can just zip all the way across the country and pop up on your grandma's phone, even if she's super far away. Cool, right? So now we know the internet is like this huge, magical bridge. But where do we find it? Well, you might be surprised to hear that it's probably right there with you, right now. So, any guesses where it is? Is it hiding under your bed? Probably not. Is it up in the clouds? Well, kind of, but the answer is even cooler. It's in all the gadgets we use every single day. That's right. Anytime you're watching cartoons, or you're on a video call with your family, or playing a really fun game on a tablet, you're using the internet. When you ask a grown-up to look up how big a T-Rex was, poof, you're standing right on that digital bridge. You use it all the time. So this bridge connects us to so much, but what can we actually do on it? Oh, this is the most exciting part. The internet opens up a whole new world of fun and learning. With the internet, we can learn all sorts of new things, like what kind of weird fish live in the super deep ocean. It lets us play awesome games with our friends, even if they live far away. And, maybe the most important thing, it helps us talk to the people we love, no matter where they are. It really keeps us all connected. Now, just like any big adventure, there are always some important rules to keep us safe. And when we're walking on our digital bridge, there is one rule that is more important than all the others combined. And here it is, the number one most important rule. Always ask a grown-up first. Before you watch a new video or play a new game or visit a new website, just check with a parent or another grown-up you trust. They're like your super guides on this bridge, and they're there to make sure your journey is always safe and super fun. Wow, we have learned so much about our amazing digital bridge. Let's take a quick look back at everything we discovered today. So the biggest thing to remember is that the internet is just a wonderful, wonderful tool that connects all of us. It's a place where we can learn the most amazing things and where we can talk to our friends and our family even when they're not right next to us. It's a bridge that really brings everyone a little bit closer. So now that you know all about the digital bridge, I have a question for you. What new adventure will you and your grown-up go on today? The world is just full of incredible things to discover, and now you know exactly how to explore it safely. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time.